Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Touch ID on the blockchain wallet application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the home button down below on the left side corner of the screen, and then click on the profile icon in the upper left corner. After that you should scroll down until you get to the security section, and here you can find the enable Touch ID option, which is the sixth one. So click on this button on the right side and then you should click on continue. After that you should enter a PIN, your PIN that you have already set, and then the Touch ID will be turned on, as you can see. So whenever you open the application you will be required to use your fingerprint in order to open the application. If you want to disable it, just come back to the same section, and after that you will be able to turn it off. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.